Hello everyone, thank you for watching. In this video I would like to show you the new DJI Mavic tablet holder. It uses the original, the stock tablet holder that comes with your DJI Phantom or Inspire, and you have to connect it to this assembly, which I'll show you now. First, the things that I want to show you about this one is that it also has a tripod connector, which means you can connect it to any tripod with a 1/4 inch screw, which is the most of them, and then you can have it standing without carrying it, especially if you have something heavier like a monitor or a tablet, which makes the whole setup very heavy and not easy to carry. So if you don't have to carry it on you, the remote control, so you can just put it on a tripod. Now the second thing is the SD card holder, which is here. Just a simple slot in the 3D printed plastic, and you will have to use your own SD card adapter. Put it in here, and then it can also remind you that you need to make sure that you have an SD card in your phone and to stop recording, but it's a holder for your SD card. And the third thing is the little hook here, which is for the strap, for the neck strap. If you don't want to put it on a tripod and you want to carry it with you, so you can use any neck strap that you trust, of course, and to hold the whole assembly. Now I will show you how to put it all together. First, you take the main plate, which is the same size as an iPhone 6 Plus or iPhone 7 Plus, basically the maximum size that the DJI Mavic can open. You take the 4 little nuts, shove them here. Take the 1/4 inch nut and put it in the center. See, there are two parts. The reason there are two parts is because we printed those like that. So this will be extremely strong. So you can trust it just as much as you trust the metal part. You can't break it. If something will break first, it will probably be the holder and not this part. So, and again, the iPad is not that heavy, so it will definitely hold it. And I tried to break it. I cracked one of those, and not the 3D printed part. So put it like that. Take the screws.